Have I got it all over me? I can't tell. Oh wow, check that out. So that's the road just up there. There's a tiny sign saying the big culvert. The only way I knew about this was from motogspot. Oh shit. That looks slippery as, doesn't it? Oh shit! Oh, far out. Lucky I've got lucky I've got all my motorbike gear on, because that would have hurt. I thought I should take my gloves off, but I'm glad I had them on. Righto. Oh, look at my hands, yuck. I reckon that looks like a good spot to clean them. Not bad. Oh. Thank you, Mr. G. That was an awesome little spot there. I never would have known about it. I saw the sign, the big culvert. It doesn't actually show you. It's not clear where it is. But yeah, I remembered it from your video. Check out the sign. That's telling you where the walkway is in the friggin' grass. Righto. Back to riding.